So today I'll be showing you how to check the battery level of your JBL Flip 7. Now this is very simple. The first step is just turning on the speaker. So just press the power button. That's going to turn on the speaker. And as soon as the speaker turns on, you will see this animation. So make sure you hold it like this with the charging port at the bottom. And this charging light here indicates the battery level. So the light is going to light up all the way to the full or to the top if the battery is full. And the more the battery drains, it's going to keep going lower. So you can have a visual representation of your average battery life. Now the light will go off after some time. You can just press any button, whether it's the volume down or volume up or the play pause button. Any button you press will bring up that light, and you can see it's almost full. Okay, so it should be at least 70 to 80% battery. Okay, on an estimation based on what I'm seeing here. You can see this light is not all the way to the top, but it's almost at the top. So it means I have a lot of battery. Now, a better way of checking the battery level is to go to the JBL portable app, which you should have on your phone. And if you don't, you can go to the Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and make sure you get the JBL portable app and pair it with your speaker. This app right here. Okay, so make sure you go to your App Store and have it installed and then set it up. Now I'm just going to open my device. You can see my JBL Flip 7 is here. And if you have multiple devices, you're going to see this page. So if I open my JBL Flip 7, you can actually see my battery level and the exact battery percentage is shown there. Okay, so that's how you can check the battery level of your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.